guys, welcome to today's video. Well, just about a year ago, just slightly under a year ago, by a couple of weeks, I did a video with Smile Brilliant. They sent me out the whole teeth whitening kit and I was able to get my teeth whitened. And quite honestly, after I did that, I kind of went back to not using it as much as I needed to. So it was funny. I was just thinking I need to start using the product again, and they reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to try, using some more of the product? We have a Mother's Day special. So they have a 20% coupon code on their site that you can get. So they sent me couple more boxes of the product. One is the teeth whitening gel and the other is the desensitizing gel. You get 3 of these in each box. So I want to talk about how their system works. If you really want to watch the whole video, I will leave a card up here. Now, I'll leave a card at the end of the video, then you can go watch that one. And I'll also leave a link down below in the comments for you as well, because that one will get into a lot more detail. But basically what they do is they send you the kit. So they have 6 different packages you can choose from. They even are offering now a 3-month 0% interest payment plan on it. So I think that's pretty cool. So what they do is they send you free of charge. There's no shipping, either sending it to you or when you have to send it back, the kit to do the mold. So when you get it back, you will get both an upper and lower little molds of your teeth. So they fit on there perfectly. And then what you do is you take the whitening gel. Again, there's 3 syringes in here, so let me show you what those look like. Each syringe is good for about 2, for me it's about 3 different applications. So each one comes individually sealed. There's a little tear knob right there. You just tear that down. This is what this syringe looks like, so you can see the product in it, and then it has a little top that you twist off. Hold on to this base when you do that because this also unscrews. So you simply twist that off, and then you apply a very small band, and I mean a very thin band, along the front part of each mold. Don't need it behind your teeth, you want it on the top of the teeth. Don't apply it to the top of your teeth. If you put too much on, it's going to squeeze out and get all over your gums. Make sure you remove any of that. And then if you have sensitive teeth like I do, they have a desensitizing gel that you can follow up right after that or sometime throughout the day. Okay, so again, you apply that thin band on there. I want to let you know that each one of these syringes has 22% carbonide peroxide on it. Once you get that thin band put in there, you simply put it in your mouth, both pieces of course, and then you leave it on there anywhere from 45 minutes up to 3 hours, just depending on how sensitive your teeth are. I've left it on for the full 3 hours, and as long as I use the desensitizing gel, I'm good to go. Then if you do use the desensitizing gel, same thing, you put that small string in there, and you only need to leave it on for like 15-20 minutes. So this is perfect to do early in the evening, and then I can do this like the next morning while I'm getting my face on and stuff. So very easy to use. Now I've only used it twice now since I decided to use it. So let's look at a before and an after picture. All right, so you can see that my teeth have already started to whiten quite a bit. Hopefully, yeah, I don't have my pictures anymore from the video I shot a year ago. So you'll see the difference in that where I had a chance to use it several times. So I love this kit. It does such a great job. I love how it's so thorough, comes with everything you need. I got my mold back fairly quickly. I would say in under 10 days I got it back. So let's talk about the prices of the kits that they have. So like I said, they have ones for both non-sensitive and sensitive skin, or sensitive teeth. So let's talk about the non-sensitive first. with the 3 packages they have what's called the T9. So that includes your molds, and you get a total of 27 whitening things here. They say that's perfect for darker stained teeth, no natural sensitivity, someone who drinks coffee, tea, or wine regularly, might even smoke. Don't do that. Want best value on maintenance gel, great for international customers because they do ship worldwide too. So you get everything you need. That is a one-time payment of $169, or you can pay $57 a month over 3 months. The T6, same thing, except you get 18 of the syringes instead of just, or instead of the 27, and that one is $159. That one doesn't offer the 3 payments on there. And then they have the T3, that's great for lightly stained teeth, no natural sensitivity, maybe you've whitened in the past, and that one's $139, and you get 9 of the syringes. So let's move on to the sensitive one. So back to the T9 again. So you get your tray, your 27 whitening applicators, and 27 of the desensitizing gel. That one is $189, or you can split that up and do $63 a month. The T6 gives 18 syringes of the whitening and 18 syringes of the gel, sensitizing gel. That one's $175. Again, no splitting that up into monthly payments. And then the T3 gives you 9 whitening gels and 9 of the desensitizing ones. And that one's $149. So I'm tickled pink that my teeth are getting white again. Not so yellow, they were looking pretty icky. And I will continue using it again this time. I'm actually going to put it in my calendar to remember to do it maybe once or twice at the beginning of each month, because these syringes will last a very long time. So I want you guys to go check out their site, and also they are doing a giveaway to one of my lucky viewers. I'm going to have a link down below to it. It's going to be on their website. They're going to do the whole giveaway thing, so they're going to contact you when you enter, and you will get $149 teeth whitening credit. So if, for example, that's enough to get the T3 one with the sensitivity. So that's the one that gets you 9 of each syringe. However, if you want to get one of the other kits, you can apply that $149 credit towards that. So they will give you a code to get that much of a discount at checkout. Pretty darn cool, especially with Mother's Day coming up. That would be a great gift for any mother. Or if you want to just get it for yourself, go for it. So I love their system. I love how it just feels so good. The molds fit perfectly. I didn't have any issues with those whatsoever, so I really enjoyed those. Hey guys, just real quick, I wanted to just kind of touch base with you about the contest to win the $149 teeth whitening system. So what you want to do is, I'll have the link down below in the description box. You simply go there. It's at Smile Brilliant's website. They're going to take care of everything. You can just go to that link. I also have a 15% off code for any of you that are interested in getting any of their products. So I will leave that both here at the bottom as well as down in the description box too. The contest is going to be open for 2 weeks, and it will start the day that this video airs. So in 2 weeks, they're going to contact you. They're also going to let me know who the winner is, and they will send you the code for the $149 off at their website. So make sure you go and check that out, sign up. Don't have to do anything more. Also, if you follow them on Instagram, you'll get even more chances to enter as well. So make sure that you do that. This is open to anybody worldwide, so take advantage of it to get a nice, great white smile from them. So again, just want to pop in, tell you guys about that, and good luck. Also, I wanted to show you, so sorry if you can't understand me right now, but I actually have mine in. I just put them in just to show you how it looks. It's the close-up look when you have them in. Again, depending on how sensitive your teeth are, you can leave them in anywhere from 45 minutes up to 3 hours. If you get the desensitizing gel, that's going to help you out so much. So it's not recommended that you eat or drink anything while you're doing it. Don't sleep in them either. That's not a good idea. But yeah, just want to show you how I whiten my teeth. So simple. Take the syringe, put a little bead across it. I do not do my back teeth, by the way, because I've got crowns back there and you can't whiten crowns. So I only put the gel where my own teeth are, I guess is the best way to put it. If you have veneers, not going to work on those either, sorry. All right, guys, that's it. And I really enjoy using the whole system. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do make sure that you head over to Smile Brilliant's website and enter for that drawing. And if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, give this a thumbs up since that does help me out. And if you have any comments or questions about it, feel free to leave those down below. So make sure you head over, watch my other video I did a year ago, and see my amazing results. Because again, this is just after 2 times of using it. Pretty nice, huh? All right, thanks guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.